Hey, what's going on? Here's a quick review on the trunk net, cargo net for your groceries and your equipment that you haul around daily on your trucks. Instead of having your groceries sloshing around in the back of your bed, the cargo net by Trunk Net allows you to organize your groceries. You're looking at about $130 worth of groceries, and you can still fit some more. It stretches out pretty wide. It has this elastic bands on both sides. You cover it over, you hang your hooks. Can't really tell, but you just latch on to your hooks that are in your truck, and so on and so forth. So definitely recommend it for hauling around a lot of groceries or cargo equipment. If you're going out to do sports with your children, or your gym bag to go to the gym, or if you work with tools and stuff, it's a good place to add your equipment and so on and so forth. So definitely recommend it. I have it on my truck, and it's helped me tremendously as I'm hauling around groceries and equipment. So recommend it. That's about it. Hope y'all enjoy it. Thank you.